Hello, Porsche files that also like toddlers' toys. Probably doesn't happen too often, but anyways, this is called the Luft. That's the casting name. It's from the Mini series, and the colorway, this black and gold, is called Crow. That's the part number, I guess. There's the blurb about the brand, and these are designer toys, but meant for children 1 year old and up, or people with the mentality of a 1 year old like me. And so I like the packaging. It's cardboard. I'm not having to waste money buying a big display box, a crystal box or whatever, and I can throw this away and not feel too guilty. Although I actually keep it because I have nowhere to display these things these days. So I'm gonna put it back in this later on. And then yeah, so one issue I don't like is those boxes aren't tape sealed. There's fingerprints all over this thing. So this has been displayed maybe, or it's definitely been opened, and look, some little scratches here, right? So I paid full price thinking I was getting a new product. Not the case, it's clearly used. So that's a really simple thing this brand needs to get around, is to prove that people are buying new products or not, right? So that's my minor quibble, but hopefully there's no major defects, and it'll be alright. Let's see. Okay, well, so these are made of really thick ABS plastic, and they're clear coated. At least the top part is. Look how shiny that is. It's so glossy, it's crazy. It's not only just clear coated, but they're polished after, because there's very little orange peel. So very nice, very nice. So the headlights here, we have this funky X pattern, like it's a racing, taped off headlights or something. Pretty well done, yeah, pretty well done indeed. It's just so easy to get fingerprints all over this thing. Okay, well, yeah, this thing is like an automotive finish. Look at that. It's reflecting everything in this room. It's crazy. Okay, I like these little vents here. They are separate pieces. Pretty sure in the future they'll have some with like silver painted ones or whatever. Or maybe they'll have separate inserts, like some that are fog lights instead of brake vents. Okay, so now we have the cool fat tires here. They're rubbery, and they Playforever debossed in them. And then we have what look like mini light wheels to me. They look like mini lights or Watanabe F8s. I'm sure that might have been the European equivalent of something like that. It's interesting they chose to not put any sort of center cap or hole in the middle of that. It's just flat. But it's painted gold, and I think it's clear coated as well. It's very shiny. So it does have old school looking treads, these little wavy tread grooves. And then the bottom is just this I don't know, grain pattern. Yeah, I really let down. The thing's already scratched up. And then it has two screws holding it together if you want to take it apart, although I don't know why you would want to do that. And then this little gold stripe is also clear coated, and it's got black here. I think the black, I can feel that. It's on top of the clear coat. And so it tells you here, Luft Crow model, and then the address. But here, this was made in 2019, so pretty old now. Interesting. Okay. So the gold stripe, I guess I don't know if this is a molding part line. That's what it looks like. So this gold thing might be one piece of plastic continuously going around this, or this is a physical break. I don't know for sure. It's just so tightly fit. Yeah, maybe it is a break. I thought it was a molding part line, but anyhow, yeah, the plastic on plastic fitment is very tight, very cool. Boy, all these fingerprints. And then look at the taillight, how well fit that is as well. I think the taillight might be raw red plastic. It doesn't seem, it is shiny of course, but I don't think it's as shiny as the black above it. I might be mistaken. Okay, well anyways, definitely looks nice. There's no Porsche branding of course, it's not a Porsche. Yeah, some hairline scratches though in the plastic, so it's kind of lame. Yeah, it's lame that I got a used product here. Weak. Alright, well, what is going on with this? Now there's a whole bunch of grime on this helmet here. I have a bottle of water here. Thankfully, that wasn't like a glue stain or some crazy glue stuff. It's just That was literally someone's fingerprint, I think. Okay, well, it's interesting. This pilot has like it looks like a dark blue chrome. It's not regular chrome. It's not black chrome. It's got a hint of blue to it. So that's pretty cool. And then the goggles are black, so a little bit of a color separation. And then the interior is just this matte grainy finish again. Okay. Alright, well, I guess that's it. So I do have a green one, and this also had issues. Like, it had a weird tear in the tire. I crazy glued it back down. But this one, I think it was new. There wasn't anything weird in that review. You notice this one has like a greenish hint to the chrome work. Whereas this one is a bluish hint, right? So pretty cool. And this has the Fuchs wheels, so it's a completely different, it has a different look to it, right? Regular headlights, the different wheels, different colors, all that stuff. This is a metallic green, that's just, I think, clear-coated black plastic. So another black and gold one is the Ken, and the colorway of this color is Cave, and it's just an awesome GT40, but again, it's covered with my fingerprints. Really easy to pick up the fingerprints. And then the another one is called the UFO, and the white color is called Colomba. And clearly it's like a Countach, like an LP400. And this one also had a bunch of scratches back here when I reviewed it. You can still see them right there. So I've purchased several of these now under the impression that they're new, and that's not the case. So it's very frustrating. It makes me not want to buy these all of a sudden, although they're awesome. They're awesome, but I want to buy new stuff. If I'm paying full price, I want the thing to be new. Is that too much to ask? I don't think so. So anyways, these are all around the same size. I would say the Luft is the smallest of them, and this is probably the biggest of them. But they're all in the same ballpark. You can park them next to each other, and they'll look alright. Alright, well, if you like Porsches and you like toddler toys, you want to pick this up. But I would suggest if you live in Europe or America, you buy directly off the Playforever sites, because that's probably your best chance of getting a brand new one. I live in Asia, so I had to buy this from some Chinese reseller, and apparently there's some Chinese people that aren't very honest. Shocking. Okay, well, we'll see you in the next Playforever video, whenever that comes. Alright, bye.